Hello, busy parents. Does it ever feel like you're juggling a million things at once? Between work, kids, school, activities, and trying to find a moment for ourselves, life can feel chaotic. Today, I'm sharing top life hacks to simplify your daily routine. Imagine this. You wake up just a few minutes before your little ones, enjoying a quiet moment as you sip your coffee or tea, savoring the tranquility before the day begins. No, this isn't a dream. This is the power of a morning routine, a simple yet effective way to start your day on the right foot. Starting your day with intention, even if it's just for 15 minutes, can transform your entire outlook and set a positive tone for the hours ahead. A simple morning routine might include a quiet moment of reflection, allowing you to gather your thoughts and center yourself. A quick tidy up of the kitchen, making the space feel fresh and ready for the day's activities, or reviewing your schedule for the day, ensuring you're prepared for what's to come. Choose activities that make you feel grounded and ready to face the day with confidence and clarity. Perhaps it's a few moments of yoga or stretching, helping to wake up your body and mind, reading a passage from your favorite book, providing inspiration and a sense of calm, or simply enjoying a nutritious breakfast, fueling your body for the day ahead. By incorporating a morning routine into your life, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle the day's challenges with grace and ease, feeling more in control and less stressed. Let's face it, mornings with children can be unpredictable, but having a simple routine in place can create a sense of calm amidst the joyful chaos, making those early hours more manageable and enjoyable for everyone. Weekends are precious, I know, and they often feel like they fly by in the blink of an eye. But what if I told you that dedicating just a little bit of time to meal prepping could transform your week and make those busy weekdays a lot more manageable? Imagine this. You open the refrigerator on a busy Tuesday evening, and instead of facing a sea of takeout menus, you find a delicious, home-cooked meal ready to be enjoyed. No stress, no hassle, just good food. Start by choosing 1 or 2 meals you'd like to prep ahead. It doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe it's a big pot of soup, something hearty and comforting, a tray of roasted vegetables, perfect for mixing and matching with different meals, or a batch of your family's favorite muffins, great for breakfast or snacks. Get the whole family involved. Turn it into a fun activity rather than a chore. Children love to help in the kitchen, and it's a wonderful opportunity to teach them about healthy eating habits and the joy of cooking. Put on some music, dance around, and let the kitchen become a space of joy and connection. Make it a time to bond and create memories. Once your meals are prepped, store them in clear containers so you can easily see what you have on hand. This makes it simple to grab and go. Remember, meal prepping isn't about perfection. It's about making life a little bit easier and more joyful. Embrace the imperfections and have fun with it. By investing a little time on the weekends, you'll be giving yourself the gift of time and peace of mind during the week. It's a small effort with big rewards. In the bustling heart of our homes, amidst the flurry of school runs, playdates, and work deadlines, there exists a secret weapon for organization, the shared family calendar. This digital marvel helps keep everyone on the same page, ensuring no one misses a beat. This isn't just a schedule, it's a shared space where the rhythm of your family life comes alive. Every event, big or small, finds its place, creating a harmonious flow. Imagine a central location, easily accessible to everyone, where appointments, activities, and even reminders for grocery runs are neatly displayed. It's like having a family command center at your fingertips. A digital calendar works wonders, with color-coded entries for each family member, ensuring clarity at a glance. Each color tells a story, making it easy to see who is doing what and when. During breakfast or perhaps before bed, take a few moments to connect and synchronize. These moments of planning can become cherished family rituals. This simple act fosters a sense of shared responsibility and awareness of each other's commitments. It teaches valuable life skills and promotes teamwork. Children, even the youngest, can benefit from being included in this process. They learn the importance of time management and feel valued as part of the family unit. The shared family calendar is more than just a tool. It's a symbol of family unity and a testament to the beautiful tapestry of your lives interwoven. It captures the essence of togetherness and the joy of shared experiences. In today's tech-savvy world, why not let technology lighten our load? Embracing automation for regular tasks is like having a silent helper, quietly taking care of things in the background. Imagine this. No more missed bill payments, no more last-minute scrambles for school forms, just a smooth and effortless flow. Start by identifying tasks that feel like energy drains. Bill payments are a perfect example. Most banks offer online bill pay options, allowing you to schedule payments in advance and avoid late fees. Consider setting up automatic transfers for savings or investment accounts. Even something as simple as setting reminders for important dates, like birthdays or anniversaries, can free up mental space. This newfound freedom allows you to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones and creating lasting memories. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we feel relaxed and at peace. But clutter has a sneaky way of creeping in and stealing that peace. The good news is that decluttering doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. Start small. Choose one area of your home, perhaps a drawer, a shelf, or a corner that's been bothering you. As you go through each item, ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, find a designated space for it where it can be appreciated. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Remember, decluttering is not just about getting rid of things, it's about creating space for what truly matters. As you let go of physical clutter, you'll find that mental clutter begins to clear as well. Life is busy, I know, and sometimes the thought of a full-blown cleaning session can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that just 10 minutes a day is all it takes to keep your home feeling tidy and serene? It's true. The secret is to incorporate mini cleaning routines into your day. For example, after breakfast, take a few minutes to load the dishwasher, wipe down the counters, and put away any stray items. Before bed, do a quick sweep of the house, tidying up any clutter, folding blankets, and putting away toys. The key is to involve the whole family. Make it a game for the kids, setting a timer and seeing who can tidy up the most toys in 10 minutes. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to maintenance cleaning, you'll create a more peaceful and harmonious environment for your family. Remember those days of navigating crowded grocery store aisles, children in tow, desperately trying to remember everything on your list? Let's face it, grocery shopping can be a daunting task for busy parents. But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter the world of online grocery shopping. With just a few clicks, you can browse virtual aisles from the comfort of your own home, adding items to your cart as you go. Many online grocery services offer convenient delivery options, bringing the groceries directly to your doorstep. Imagine the time you'll save. No more battling traffic or searching for parking spaces. Online grocery shopping is a game changer for busy parents, simplifying a once dreaded task and freeing up precious time for what truly sparks joy. In today's always-on world, it's easy to feel like we're constantly tethered to our work. But it's crucial to remember that our families deserve our full presence, not just the leftover scraps of our attention. Setting clear boundaries between work and family life is essential for creating a harmonious and joyful home environment. Start by establishing designated work hours. When you're off the clock, be fully present with your loved ones. Put away your phone, step away from the computer, and engage in quality time together. When you're in that space, you're in work mode. By creating a clear separation between work and home life, you'll be more present, more engaged, and ultimately more joyful. From a young age, children are eager to help and contribute to the family dynamic. Involving them in age-appropriate chores not only lightens the load for parents, but also instills valuable life skills, responsibility, and a sense of belonging within the family unit. Start by introducing chores as a fun and collaborative activity. Turn on some music, sing along, and make it an enjoyable experience. Celebrate their efforts, no matter how small, and acknowledge their contributions to the family. By fostering a sense of teamwork and shared responsibility, you'll be creating a more harmonious and joyful home environment for everyone. Know you've been a good friend. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy to feel like ships passing in the night, even within our own families. That's why establishing a tradition of regular family meetings is so essential. These gatherings provide a dedicated time for connection, communication, and creating a shared vision for the week ahead. Choose a consistent day and time that works for everyone, perhaps Sunday evenings or Monday after dinner. Keep it short and sweet, aiming for 30 minutes to an hour. During the meeting, review the upcoming week's schedule, discussing any appointments, activities, or commitments. Most importantly, use this time to connect on a deeper level. The family meeting is a powerful ritual that strengthens bonds, fosters open communication, and creates a sense of unity and shared purpose within the family. Remember, simplifying your daily routine isn't about striving for perfection. It's about creating more space for the things that spark joy in your life, your family, your passions, and your own well-being. By incorporating these simple yet effective hacks, you'll be amazed at the positive impact they have on your daily life. Try out these tips and see what works best for you and your family. Stay organized and enjoy more quality time with your family.